What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If you haven't yet subscribed while you're here, please consider in doing so. Put your notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. To all my channel members and to all my subscribers, I thank you so much. I thank you so much for the love. Please continue to like, share, and comment. As you can see by the title, I am making this delicious meal, stuffed roasted eggplant with shrimp. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this delicious recipe. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, Sister J's style. In Sister J's kitchen, she do as she please. She make her own version of her own thing. Come on.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the
Keep a spice of a day in the pot, Sister J, she no play. Whoa, yeah. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, I have this nice, lovely eggplant. And here I have the shrimp that is already washed in lemon juice. And right here, I have some assorted bell pepper along with some onion and some cilantro. And right here I have some carrots and some tomato. So I have the eggplant here washed, and I'm just pat drying it into a paper towel, and then I'm gonna cut this in two halves. And this is what the eggplant looks like after cutting it. So now I'm just gonna take the middle out. And then I'm gonna be cutting this up to saute it down with the shrimp. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear. So here I have it all cut up. But in the Caribbean we stay. Sister J. Right here I have some olive oil. Sister J. I'm drizzling some olive oil in it. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. When she start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Now I'm doing some paprika. Sister J. Hey, Sister J. Paprika gonna give it a nice flavor. And now I'm adding some vegetable seasoning. Everybody don't know. Subscribe. Remember, chat box this attack. Sister J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice. I'm drizzling some more olive oil on the outside. Food tastes nice. And here I'm seasoning up the shrimp. No joke. I have some seafood seasoning here. I'm putting in ½ teaspoon of seafood seasoning. A quarter teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm just spraying the dish so I can put the eggplant to roast. So here's some seasoning that I'll be using in the pot. I have some parsley flake, some dried thyme. Right here I have some seafood seasoning, some chopped onion, and I'm adding some oil to the skillet, a small portion. And now I just put the eggplant in. And the carrots and the tomato. So now I'm dumping in the seasoning. So guys, as you could see, I put a small portion of oil in the pot. I don't want too much oil in there because I'm gonna have the shrimp. I'm gonna have the shrimp grill on the stove. Grill on the stove. Yes, guys. So if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed or hit that like button, please do so. Please hit that subscription button. If it is red, it means you haven't yet connected. So hit it so it can become black and put that post notification bell on so you can be updated and notified of all my uploads. Okay? Or my live stream or my premiere. So guys, if you are connected with me and you're in the video at this time, there got to be something you like about it. So please share it with your friends and family. Just let them know Sister J is cooking some food inside this kitchen. And if they would like Sister J to cook something for them that they haven't seen on Sister J's menu, they can make a request. Better yet, you can join my membership to get all the different perks that this channel have to offer. Yes. So here the eggplant is already roasted and I'm going to stuff it and then put it back in the oven. Oh, this smells so good, guys, and I know this recipe, you got to try this out. I'm sprinkling some cheese on top. This recipe, guys, you got to try it. You got to try this recipe. So now I'm going to put this in the oven. After sprinkling the parsley and the scallion on top. Look at that, guys. Okay, guys, so now my stuffed roasted eggplant with shrimp is ready. And here I have some shrimp that I did on the side. I'm just putting it on top. Yes, guys, and the jerk seasoning in this shrimp is just gonna put it, oh my God. Look at this, guys, look at this. Did you hit that like button? Did you share me out just now? Oh, I thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good. Live good. Walk good. Pray good. One love. One love. Sister J say, one love, blessing, guidance, peace.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the